Got some really good new giants of old right here. Whitehall, Montana. Right in town. This one right here is looks like a male's face. You can see there, it's the that's a good one. That's the right eye, left eye. That's the open mouth, the nose. This is the one that I actually came for. I could see driving by. That's the right eye, left eye, the nose, and the open mouth. Similar to that one there. Yeah, that's awesome. Great detail on that one. Wow, look at that one. Unbelievable. Right in the middle of town. Some new giants of old. Whoa. Man, that looks so real. The face is so detailed. Oh my goodness. The left eye, the right eye, the nose, the mouth. Wow. Thanks for watching.